Hey folks, Chris here with BigCat Ranch. Want to welcome you to the channel if you haven't seen us before, and if you have, welcome back. Hey, so what are we going to do today? We are going to show you 3 things that are unique features in our Bunky. So why don't you come along and let's go look on inside. So the first thing I'm going to show you here is how we do our shelves. This is a very tiny space, as you can probably tell. So you have to utilize your room in a very efficient manner. And so there we use these folding shelves. That's a oak board that I milled from our property, another property. And then these are just folding hinges just bought from Amazon, and they work great. So that creates a shelf that you can fold out of the way if you want some extra space. So that's the first thing. As a unique feature we add to our cabin. And the second thing I'll show you here is we have a crying kitty. Buddy? Oh, he's not impressed. He's not impressed. Well, the second thing here is how I did my ladder. So some of these ladders, all of them that I've seen, come as one piece. What I did to this one is I cut it in half and I put hinges. I put hinges here and I put hinges up top here. The cat loves this ladder, but he loves the ladder. So this thing swings out of the way, as you can see here. And you can lift it up and move it out of your way if you want the extra room down on the floor. So that's the second unique feature. Obviously they don't come this way. I had to custom make this, and but the hinges were just bought from the lumber yard, and I made up the brackets. The third thing is kind of way up top here, and this is a little structure that I thought was a good addition. So there's just a whole bunch of space up high here that is kind of unutilized. It's wasted space just because of the way the loft is and the high ceiling. So what we've done is we've built this little sort of bridge between the railing and the wall. And that creates a storage space up above here. And I'll just show you, give you a better view of that from the loft. So there's a window, the back, and this is just attached, like I said, to the railing, and I just made a bridge across those two, and it works. So you could even make it bigger if you really wanted to. You could extend it quite a bit, really, and utilize this whole space if you wanted to get a bit more material involved. But yeah, just made some brackets on the wall here, just some metal brackets. You could buy some stuff too, I'm sure, if you looked around at the hardware stores. But I made these ones, welded them together, and I used these cedar boards that we had milled from the property, another property. And then we also have our lamp or our light hanging from there too. Nice convenient spot to do the electrical. Anyways, that's 3 things, 3 unique features that we've done in our Bunky to utilize our space, because it is a tiny space. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.